Hey everyone, in this video we are creating a cinematic zoom text effect in Fusion. You can use this effect for intros, outros, or titles. Go to Effects Library, search for an adjustment clip and drag it onto your timeline above your background footage. Then right-click the adjustment clip and choose Open in Fusion. And as always, you will see our good old Media In and Media Out nodes already connected. Next, grab a text node from the toolbar and type in your text. Let's go with Cinematic Zoom. Grab a merge node, hover it over the main pipeline until the line changes color, and then drop it. Now connect the text node to the green input of the merge node, and boom. Now go ahead and style it however you like. Pick your font, change the color, and let's crank up the size so it fills almost the entire screen. I'll push the tracking just a little bit wider to give it that cinematic feel. And under the Transform tab, let's nudge slightly downward using the Offset Y value. Alright, time to animate this thing. Go to frame 0 and in the Layout tab, add a keyframe on the size value. Now move about 5 frames forward and shrink the size just a little. This gives us that quick zoom out start. Next, jump ahead to frame 50 and tweak the size slightly so the text feels like it is breathing or floating. Then move about 10 frames forward and really scale it down. Bring it all the way to around 0.25. Let's see it. Alright. Let's give this animation some polish with blur effect. Select your text node and add a blur node from the toolbar. Now go to frame 0, increase the blur size up to around 25 and add a keyframe. Move 5 frames forward and bring the blur down, but don't set it to 0. Keep it around 3 or 4 so the text still has a soft edge. Next, jump over to frame 50 and set the blur to 0. Finally, move forward and bring the blur back up to about 25 for that smooth disappearing effect. Let's play it back. Looking way better already. But if you notice, after frame 60, the text is still kind of hanging around in its blurry form, and we don't want that. So here's how to fix it. Select your text node and go to frame 50. Under the Shading tab, add a keyframe on Opacity. Now move 10 frames forward and drop the opacity all the way down to 0. Let's check again. Now the text disappears completely. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because we have got some amazing Fusion tutorials coming up.